Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post anonymous message story on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to download this NGL application. You have to download and install this application on your mobile phone. You can get it from Play Store or Apple Store, and after you have installed this application, you can open this application and you can tap on get started. And since I want to post anonymous message story on Instagram, I'm gonna select Instagram. Then here we can choose a username. I'm just going to add this username. Okay, once we're done, we can click on continue, and I'm going to skip this step. Okay, and just hold on guys. Alright, and this is the step to create anonymous message story on Instagram. We have to copy the link. Just click on copy link and we can share it to our Instagram story. I'm just going to open my Instagram application and I'm going to create a story. Wait guys, I'm going to upload a photo from my device. I'm gonna use this photo, maybe this one. Okay, and then we can click on the sticker icon and select link. Okay, and then we can paste the link of our NGL and then click on done, and I'm going to place it right here. And you can also add tags to your story. I'm going to add send me anonymous message. Okay, click on done. Okay, once we're ready to share the story, we just need to click on your story, and then the anonymous message story will be shared to our Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can post anonymous message story on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.